So before we start the main topic of the test book, I would like to revise few concepts like addition of decimals, multiplication, subtraction. You may be knowing this, but I would like to revise once again. When you are going to add decimals, don't bother about the decimal. Think as a normal addition. Do normal addition. Once addition is done, then you can think about the decimal. If you look here,
we just add it like it's a whole number, sir.
12.35 plus 45.25. Go for normal addition. 12.35, 45.25. How we add the numbers? We add always from the right side. 5 and 5, 10. So 1 will be here. Same addition. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 5760 is the answer. Normal addition. Now where to keep the decimal? After decimal 2 places, after decimal 2 places. So the answer will be 57.60. It is same as normal addition only. Same as normal addition. Here common decimal at two places. Here also 2 places. That's all we are going to do. Okay. If it is clear, start doing remaining problems. 56.54, 78.29. Add them. Keep doing and let me know the answers. How we add a 4-digit number in the same way we are adding?
The first answer and the second. 5, 4, 5.
Addition or subtraction, same as numbers.
The first answer is 57.60.
Not 60. After decimal, you had to pronounce
60.
60.
60,
Yes.
I mean. Sorry, sir. 60.
Yeah, correct.
Sorry, sir. Sir, the next answer is 134.83.
83, yes. I have also done 3 questions here. Bhumika, switch on your camera. Furkan, are you doing? Good.
Yes.
Give
Sir, the
answers.
fourth answer is
Those who completed, give the answer.
58.90.
78.0.
Sir, I mean the fourth answer. Yes, sir, 55.90. 32.54 plus 23.36 is equals to 55.90.
Okay, let us see. 32.54. 23.36. Add this. $55.90.
I said 55.90.
is about subtraction.
Yes, sir. Subtraction. 45.
Subtraction. How we do normal subtraction in the same way?
Sir, the next answer is 22.13. 45.45 minus 23.32 is equals to 22.13.
Yes, 22.13. All you have to try. This is a normal addition, normal subtraction. It is not new, nothing new here except the decimal. Do it normal way, put the decimal.
9. Sir, the next answer is 23.59.
When you are subtracting, if it is not possible for direct subtraction, you borrow from the previous number. You borrow from the
Sir,
left
I did
number.
the same.
So
I did
5
the
minus
same,
6,
sir.
listen, 5 minus 6 not possible. So borrow 1 from this, it become 15. This will become 2. 15 minus 6 is done. Now 2 minus 7 is not possible. So borrow from this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7. Borrowing to subtract is a known method that we are doing. So addition, subtraction is done. Now 4 questions on multiplication I give. Please try. Look at the second slide. Shall I move to the multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Look at the second slide problems. 12.2 into 5. That is the first question I shared in the screen. 12.2 into 5. 5 2 is 10. 1 will be there. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 will be there. 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 6. 610. But decimal is there. After decimal, 1 place is there. After decimal, 1 place. So 61.0, that is 61. You have to count how many places after decimal. Those many places you have to get. 0 immediately after decimal has no value. It was only 0. So 61.0 or 61 is the answer. 13.5 into 3. Do it carefully, no hurry.
Sir, can you explain again first one?
Yeah. See, forget about the decimal. 122 into 5. How we do this? Normal multiplication. 5 2 is 10. 1 will be here. Normal multiplication. We did normal multiplication in the last class, last year, Junk-Cellar. You remember that? Multiplication problems. 5 2 is 10. 1 will be here. Next, 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 will be 11. So 1 will be here. 5 1 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 122 into 5 is 610. Now, actually it is not 122. Decimal is there. Decimal is here. So after decimal, one digit is there. So in the result also, after decimal, one digit should be there. If you have to
61.0.
keep the decimal here, it will become 61. 61.0. After point 0 has no value. After point. So it is 61. Look at this. I will do this also. 13.5 into 3. What will be the answer? Normal multiplication. 3 5 is 15. 1 will be here. 1 keep aside. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means take 0. Keep 1 here. Always we take 1 digit and 10th digit we keep there. We take only unit digit. 3 5 is 15. 1 will be there. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 and 1 here. 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 405. But it is not 135. It is 13.5. After decimal, 1 place. So after decimal, 1 place means 40.5 is the answer. You think about normal multiplication. Don't bother about decimal. Go for normal multiplication. After that, where to keep the decimal? Look at the question. After decimal, how many places? Based on that, you have to keep the decimal. After the class, I will share more questions of this type as a homework. 9.2 into 10. Feel 92 into 10. 92 into 10 will be 920. 9.2 into 10. Forget about point. 92 into 10 is 920. Now put the decimal. Where? Decimal 1 place. So decimal 1 place. That is 90. Product of decimals, it is only the beginning we are doing in 5th class. In 6th class, we study more. So here, introduction only, multiplication with 1 digit only I am doing. Multiplication with 2 digits. Multiplication again with a decimal that you will come across in 6th class. So now, only 1 digit multiplication I am doing, just so that you can ready for the next year. .3 into 7. 7 3 is 21. So 2 will be there. In the multiplication, whenever you get a 2-digit number or 3-digit number, we take only unit place. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So this 0 I will take here. 30. 3 will be there. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38. Now keep the decimal. Where? Decimal After decimal, one digit. So here also after decimal, one digit you have to get. 380.1.
I got the answer 380.1.
How you got 380.1? I got 380.1.
Sir, even I got 380.1.
No. How can you get that answer when I got 380.1?
Sir, because I multiplied.
No, when I got 380.1, you are not supposed to get the same point. You are copying me.
Sir, we can.
No,
Sir, can you share it? Sir, I got the same answer.
you got the same answer. No, Himani, you are not supposed to get the same answer. You can't copy me. You have to get different answer. Just kidding. Okay, done with this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, done.
Next question from the textbook. If we complete fast, we can go further reading. Yes.
Sir, I done this.
This already I shared in the last class itself.
Sir, I
I
also
done
done
this.
it, sir.
Yeah, I shared this in the last class. But since we did addition now, just I want to see this question. See here, they added the things where
Sir,
decimal
we
was
have to
forgot.
donate, right?
So you have no. This already I shared in the last class.
Yes, sir. I also
yeah.
wrote it.
This is our real syllabus, the balanced questions of the textbook. It is about the temperature.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, should we write this also in notebook?
No. You can write the answers in the textbook itself. Otherwise, you can write. I will share this. Don't write the questions. Think only about the answer. Only answer.
Okay, sir.
You can write in the textbook because these are the questions from the textbook.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Look at the India map. Some important historical places or picnic spots I mentioned here, and the temperatures, those areas also mentioned. By looking at the temperatures in different cities mentioned, can you answer which city is very cool?
Srinagar. Srinagar.
Srinagar.
Srinagar 8.1.
8.1 degrees centigrade.
8.1 Celsius.
Where you have the less temperature, that is called
Srinagar,
coolest
8.1
place. So which city is cool?
Sir, Srinagar.
Okay.
Sir,
Highest hot hottest state is Mumbai.
sir. Highest.
Highest
Hottest
is
state is Mumbai.
Mumbai or Thiruvananthapuram? Please check.
Sir, I can't say Thiruvananthapuram. Sir, no, sir, it's Mumbai, sir.
Thiruvananthapuram is 33.5, whereas Mumbai 35.
Yes, sir, Thiruvananthapuram is the hottest.
35 is more than 33. So Mumbai is the highest temperature. Srinagar is the lowest temperature. Is the answer
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Can I ask?
Yes.
Sir, I heard that Rajasthan is very hot, sir. But how in Maharashtra only Mumbai is there in Maharashtra, sir.
See, in the map, whatever is mentioned, comparison only between those. Here, Rajasthan is not mentioned. Whatever the places mentioned, we are comparing only between those places. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Here, Rajasthan is not mentioned. If it is mentioned, we are not talking about overall India. We are talking about selected places. Only the selected places, and we are asking comparison there only. Got my point? His answer is
We are
clear for all.
writing, sir.
His answer is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question.
You will send that, sir?
Yeah, I will send everything. I told you, no, I will send. Don't worry. You just write the answer in the textbook
sir.
itself. Write the answers in the textbook itself. Otherwise, write later. I will send this. Just answer
Sir,
to my
I
question.
write in the textbook, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I write it in the textbook.
Yes, you can write in the textbook itself. If not, write afterwards when I share this. Now try to answer. Don't waste my time. How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai than Srinagar? So here we are subtracting decimals. In the beginning of the class, we learned how to add decimals, how to subtract decimals. So go for it. Mumbai temperature is 35.1. Srinagar is 8.1. Just to subtract. What is 35.1 minus 8.1? Subtract, normal subtraction only. So what is the difference between Mumbai and Srinagar temperatures? Are you doing it or not?
Doing
What
it,
is the
sir.
difference between the temperatures of Mumbai and Srinagar?
Yeah, sir.
Just subtract 35.1 minus 8.1, make it fast.
Sir, we will go to another, sir. You will send it now.
Sir, answer is 27.0, sir.
Yeah, 27.0, 0.0 can be neglected. 27 is the answer. Next, second question. Tiruvananthapuram is 33.5. Okay. How many degrees the temperature should rise to reach 40? Now it is 33.5, but I want 40 degrees. For that, how much temperature should rise? So what is the difference on that you have to check? I need 40 degrees centigrade. Right now it is 33.5. That means you have to subtract 40 minus 33.5. 40 means 40.0. When nothing is there, 0.0 can be written. Now you have to subtract. Make it 10 by taking 9, making 3. 1 borrowed. Here 0 is there. So borrow 10. 1 borrowed 9. 5, 6. So 6.5 degrees centigrade should rise. It is 33.5. If 6.5 more increase, then it will become 40. First read the question, try to analyze it. Then it is very easy to get the answer. Don't waste your time in writing the question. Just write the answer in the textbook itself. Otherwise, write afterwards. What is the difference between the temperatures of Chennai and Kolkata?
Sir, I got the answer 3.3, sir.
What is the difference between Kolkata and Chennai?
Sir, I will tell, sir.
Difference between
Sir, answer
Kolkata
is
and Chennai.
6.5, sir.
Huh? You have to subtract.
6.5, sir.
No,
6.5, sir.
not 6.5. 6.5. This is over. This is long back done. Next question. Kolkata and
Sir,
Chennai.
I got the answer 3.3, sir.
Yes, 3.3 is the right answer. Just subtract.
3.3. Sir, even I got the answer 3.3. Sir, Kolkata from China. I mean Chennai. Sir, from 26.6. 29. Sir, it is equal to 3.3.
Yes, 3.3 is the right answer.
3.3, sir. Sir, I got the answer 3.3.
Yes. Next question. Next question. The temperature in the particular cities was noted at 3 a.m. on the same day. Look at the table and answer the following questions. Chennai, Mumbai, Thiruvananthapuram, Kolkata, Bhopal, Srinagar, Guwahati, and Jaipur. Temperatures early morning at 3 a.m. was recorded. By looking at these temperatures, describe where is the lowest temperature. Imagine yourself to be there and describe how it would feel. So, where is the lowest temperature? That you can answer easily by looking at the table. If you are at that place, imagine if you are at that place, how you feel. That is the question. So it is the imagination. Of course, I gave the answer. You no need to write the same answer. You can write your own answer. Where is the lowest temperature?
Sir, Srinagar.
Yeah, Srinagar. 1 degree. 1 degree means 1 degree means almost the water will become frozen. It will become ice. At 0 degrees, water will become ice. There you can't drink the water because water will not be in the liquid state. At that temperature, water will
Sir, it
become
will be
ice.
ice.
It will become ice. Ice means not the ice creams what you ate outside. It is the ice, tasteless, you can't eat also. Okay, so the lowest temperature is Srinagar. Now explain. I wrote one answer. You no need to repeat the same answer when you write afterwards in the textbook or notebook. You can write your own answer. But generally, when the temperature is very, very low, what we do, we wear sweaters, woolen clothes we wear so that we keep ourselves hot or warm. Okay, so
Sir, even we sit near the fire.
yeah, I gave one answer here. 1.3 degrees temperature means it would be cold and water will be frozen to ice. People living there should wear woolen clothes and sit near fire. Near fire, not on the fire. Okay, lot of difference is there. Sit near the fire. If we sit on the fire, you will become kebabs there. Okay. So that is the answer I gave. If you want, you can copy the same answer or you can write your own answer. Choice is yours. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done with this question?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Done.
Second
Yes,
question
sir.
based on the same table. Based on the same table. Second question. What is the difference? What is the difference between the temperatures at 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. at Chennai and Bhopal? 3 a.m. is here, 3 p.m. is already there in the map itself. You can see now. These are the temperatures recorded at 3 p.m. In the beginning of the problem, I mentioned here. These are the temperatures at 3 p.m. Now these are the temperatures at 3 a.m. in the morning. So what is the difference between the temperatures at Chennai in the morning and afternoon? What is the difference? In the Chennai, what is the temperature at morning? 21.1. Chennai. Temperature.
21.1.
Temperature at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is 21.1. 3 p.m. it is there in the morning in the map 29.9. Subtract. What is the difference? (29.9) 21.1 difference will be the answer. Next, Bhopal. Bhopal temperature at 3 p.m. Temperature at 3 p.m. Check the difference. Bhopal in
Sir,
the map you can see
8.8 centimeters
25.9.
I got, sir.
Who is talking there in the background? Abhinav. Done with this?
Yes.
The temperature chart, everything is there in the textbook. Simply you have to write two different temperatures and subtract. Subtraction has to be done carefully. It is like normal subtraction, nothing new. It is same as normal subtraction.
Sir, done. So after this, are we going to start the area and its boundary lesson?
Area and boundary is a very big chapter because December 17th onwards, you are going to have your PT2 examinations.
Yes, sir.
So we have hardly 2 weeks. And
Yes, sir.
there is no enough time. Area chapter takes a lot of time. So that we will do in the next month. We will start table and shares. It is very easy. Smart charts. Sorry, smart charts. Smart charts already we did in 4th class. It is very easy. So that can be
Yes,
done in 2
sir.
classes. And if possible, tomorrow I am going to take the extra class. I will request music sir. If he gives the class, tomorrow we are going to have the maths class. I will inform you by afternoon.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that tomorrow we can
Sir?
start the new chapter, smart charts.
Sir, tomorrow in place of music, you will take maths.
Yes, I am going to ask the teacher. If he give the class, I will take maths class during music period.
Okay,
I will
sir.
inform you. By afternoon, I will inform you. I will post the link. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, at what time? The smart chart is so small chapter.
Smart charts is very small. We can do in 1 or 2 classes. Then we will do revision because revision has to be done. This direction
Yes,
chapter
sir.
is there, no north, west, east, south direction problem. That chapter is very important. That needs.
Can
good
you
revision.
give, sir, can you give some riddle questions?
Yeah, definitely.
So please give, sir. Last class you didn't give a question, sir.
You have not asked, I have not given. That's all.
Sir, give any riddle question.
Okay, this is completed now.
Yes, sir. sir. We try to solve it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, riddle is ready.
Sir, when teacher will send the timetable, sir?
Will you have enough time? No, you have enough time. Next week we will send. Don't worry.
Now, is this
Okay,
a riddle?
This is the riddle of the day.
How can you?
Sir, what is the riddle? So simple, sir. It's not at all thinking.
Oh,
Math riddle of the day. I just say you, sir. 1 minute.
no. Send answer to me by WhatsApp. Don't tell here. Let
Sir,
others
please,
also
sir.
think.
It's so easy, sir.
Okay,
I'll just
then
say, sir.
share the answer in the WhatsApp to me. Don't tell the answer. Others also let them think.
Sir, it's so easy, sir. I
Okay.
did it just now, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good.
By moving only one matchstick. Only one matchstick. Yeah, sir, it's very easy.
There are two solutions for this. Not one, there are two different answers for this. As it is, the equation is not correct. 6 plus 4 is not equal to 4. So
Yes,
by
sir.
moving one matchstick, we can make the equation correct. So how to make it correct, what to be done, which matchstick to be moved and where it is to be moved so that the equation is correct. That is the question you have to think. These many days I am giving very hard questions, no one able to give the answer. So I thought one easy question I can. Actually, I shared this question with 4th class students today. So same question I want to share with you. Okay, next class I will give a hard question, definitely. But the problem is when I am giving hard questions, no one is able to answer.
Yes, sir. But after we see the answer, it looks, oh my God, it was just easy.
Yeah. After looking the answer, it looks easy.
Himani, you have muted yourself. What were you telling? Sir, even I got.
See, there are many different solutions. I know.
Even I got.
I know 3 different
I got
solutions.
it.
I know 3 solutions of this. If you want, you can also try. One answer I would like to give here itself.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Look here. 6 plus 4 equal to 4 is there? No. One easy thing what I want to do is look at this matchstick. This one is there? No. Can you see my drawing here?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yeah, this one. Remove this matchstick, keep here. What happens?
Okay. 0.
0 plus 4 equal to?
4.
Yes.
So
that is
what
an answer.
I thought is by removing plus 1 stick, by keeping that is here with this place, it will be 8 minus 4 equals to 4.
Yes, I said no, there are 3 different solutions. One is 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. You can try some other options also. That is the
Okay,
question.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'll try this with my.
Abhinav, mute yourself. Okay, so these are the different questions. You can try different solutions of this. Now the problems what we did, All these they are there in the textbook, so you can write in the textbook itself. Otherwise, you can write in the notebook. Now I'm going to share this PDF of this. Those who are not able to complete the question, they can write it and they can do it. On 99% tomorrow, I will take the music class so that we can start the new chapter, smart charts, which is very, very easy. Okay. So that's all for today. I will share this question with some extra problems. This addition, subtraction problems are there now. I will try to give some more questions so that you can practice. That is the only homework today. Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
That's all for
only
today's class.
16 joined.
Question, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
only 16 joined.
Huh?
Only 16.
16?
Yes, sir, 16 joined.
Sir, 1 second.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, sir.
Okay. See you in the next class. We will have the class tomorrow. Be ready. I will inform you by afternoon. Tomorrow we will have the
Okay,
math
sir.
class for charts.
Yes, sir.
You had to attend the class with graph paper, pen, pencil, scale. Graph paper also better to get
Sir?
tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Bye,
Bye.
sir.